Welcome to Galactic Wisdom Wayshower, where we nurture the seeds of your soul. With Etalk beside me, let's tend to your rainbow seed, aligning your soul with the frequencies of your highest path. This is your Rainbowseed Maintenance Weekly Light Body Calibration. What is the goal focus of this week's light body? What is your light body focusing on for this week? I am loved. I am love. We're getting a throat chakra. We're getting a chakra as your light body. I feel as though your light body is recalibrating your throat chakra. This may come across as your throat chakra awakening. There is a higher dimensional throat chakra that is calibrating with your other throat chakras. This is beautiful. This is really fascinating. This also makes sense. Mercury is trining Jupiter this week that I am recording, and that is a sense of not only expressing yourself. Mercury taps into that throat chakra, but experiencing how you express yourself. It's completely encouraged this week. So let's check out what it means for your light body to be focusing on calibrating your throat chakra. Where are you being upgraded energetically in your throat chakra? Whale teaching. Oh my goodness, I really love this. Whales are definitely known for their sounds that they make, but there's a sense of depth of experiencing and healing, which makes sense with that Mercury and Jupiter trining each other. And there is this teacher-mentor relationship happening, and you will be sharing wisdom. So this week, do not be afraid to share your song, your frequency, even if whoever you are sharing it with does not understand it at the moment. There are frequencies that you are hitting that are going to awaken parts of their soul for this awareness. Oh, that is so exciting. Wow. And I'm also seeing this is going to really be helping your heart chakra right here. There's a sense of tapping into your higher self's heart chakra this week. Now let's see which chakra needs maintenance. Which chakra needs maintenance this week? Higher heart chakra. Oh, I can't make this up, you guys. Your higher heart chakra. I like also viewing this as Venus if you follow astrology. Let's see what's going on if Venus. Oh my goodness. So Venus will be conjunct your true node on February 18th. Now your true node, that has to do with your future self, your goals, and the fact that you'll be receiving insight and this higher self heart chakra. This is really a guided time to be receptive of your higher self. Your higher self is also teaching you things, and you are meant to share it. So this is where you are not only the teacher, you are also the student. You're the student of your higher self, and you are the teacher to others who resonate with your frequency. Oh, this is fascinating and beautiful. Now, who is supporting your manifestations this week? We have whale teaching, and we know higher self, but who specifically? We're dwindling down to the beings. Indigo child. So you do have an indigo being around you, or you may associate yourself as an indigo child. So this is coming up. Indigo beings are very third eye chakra dominant beings. So there is some insight. This feels like a very heavy upper chakra, which I'm also getting that all of this throat chakra upgrade may bring past anxieties to the forefront to confront, but know that this indigo being or your own indigo self is waking up and going to be supporting you. And I also love that there's a heart on the throat. So there is that alignment of that crown, very upper chakra dominant, third eye, throat chakra. Wow. Fascinating. Very fascinating. Now, for alignment, what needs self-care? To align your higher heart chakra and the teachings you are meant to bring to calibrate your throat chakra with your light body, let's see what self-care needs to happen. The violet flame. If you meditate with the violet flame, continue to do so. This is going to be so helpful. But you are meant to not only engage with the violet flame, but having the violet flame and imagining it around your throat chakra and upper chakras is actually going to really assist in not just your ability to share your wisdom, but it's going to assist in how you speak and taking action with your wisdom and not allowing it to sit dormant within your physical vessel. So working with the violet flame is very important, and this makes a lot of sense because it's going to flush out that anxiety, and you're going to be you already know how to transmute energy. Now you're going to be utilizing it and almost teaching others how to transmute it with your words and your song and your frequency. Wow. That's big, you guys. That's huge. This is beautiful. We had a very progressive upper chakra dominant. So whoever I'm speaking to, you are well trained in your upper chakras. Definitely upper chakra dominant here. And whatever anxieties you used to have, they are going to be transmuted as you speak. The more you engage with your true, authentic expression, the less anxious you're going to feel about your life and sharing what you know and have come to love. Wow. The calibration key for this Rainbowseed maintenance reading will be for my Rainbow Sanctum Patreon members at Galactic Wisdom. Thank you so much for walking this wisdom path with me. Keep tending to your seeds, whether it be rainbow, angelic, star, or earth seed, and may your journey be guided by being human with spirit. Tend your seeds and be the light.